Hey, welcome back to Dent Motion. Today we're working on a 2001 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle is here for some paintless dent repair. The damage is on the right rear quarter, right by the tail light. And I'd say it's about almost 3 feet long, quite large damage. We're gonna tackle this today. Not quite sure if it's going to come out 100%. It's quite significant damage and it's real close to the light. But anyways, let me show you the damage that we have here. So here's the damage. It's quite big. It seems like they rubbed here all the way across here and then another crease right here. We're gonna try to make that look a whole lot better. And the customer, once again, a lot of these customers just don't want any paint on their vehicles. This is really nice Michelin tires. It should look like this side. Now that I notice, there's actually a crease right there, which is that's a factory crease. We're gonna mostly work on this right here. So this crease right here, never mind. That one is a factory one. But anyways, I'll show you some of the progress as I go along. I'm gonna have to remove this tail light and then push away. I'm gonna use some of my glue pulling tools right here and get the bulk out. And now I'll show you the process. So here we go, everyone. So here's where I'm going with my tool. I actually didn't make a hole. I'm using a factory hole. That's actually one of the what I would call a plastic nipple that actually holds the light. It looks like this. Anyways, just going right in through there, utilizing my tool. I've taken the bulk out and I actually buffed the scratch. You know, the paint's a little busted here. Which a customer will touch it up. It's looking a little stitched up, and I actually haven't made it up this way so far, just quite yet. But that's, gosh, looking a lot better. And once again, that body line is looking beautiful. This is going to come out looking really good. You can see some of the waves. I still have to work on this. This is kind of a brow up here. This will come down. I have to kind of massage it down, hit it with the hammer. Well, a PDR hammer. Anyways, I will show you and continue showing you some of the process once again as I go along. But I'm real happy so far. Anyways, I'll show you here soon. So here we go. This is what I would call 80% here. There's not much else I can do there. I just can't get that edge to come out. There's still a little bit of waviness right here once again. It's hard to tell in the video. Take my word for it, if you would. Right along here. The crease just came along all the way up this way, even up to right here, which it makes it about almost 3 feet of damage. But boy, I tell you, it came out really nice. This is the type of damage that is achievable with paintless dent repair. If you're not wanting to get your vehicle painted and you want to get this type of outcome, and in many ways, sometimes this damage comes out 100%. Some other times, you know, different percentages, but you know, there's still a few imperfections. But the customer saw it, super thrilled, happy to have their vehicle without that big damage. Like I said, it's a pretty nice Pathfinder, 100,000 miles. You know, nice vehicle for early 2000s. Anyways, there's the final product. Anyway, so remember, if you're in need of paintless dent repair, door dings, gosh, a grocery cart hit your vehicle, hail repair. Lately we're doing a lot of hail repair for local body shops. Give me a call at 720-552-0808. Thanks for watching. It's my pleasure to show you all this work. It's my absolute favorite thing to do. This paintless dent repair is my passion. Dentmotion.com is my website. Check it out. Give me a call. Let's talk. Maybe some of the damage just can't be, done, but let's talk about it. Take care. See you on the next one.